Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to solve problems that involve outcomes of experiments. So ano nga po ba yung mga problem that involves outcomes of experiments? So ito po yung mga possible problems. Number one, the event E in rolling a die is getting an even number. How many favorable outcomes are there? Okay, so ito pong problem number one natin. Ang experiment po natin dito is rolling a single die. Okay? For number two problem, consider the experiment of tossing a pair of dice. What are the favorable outcomes for the event of getting a sum of 5? So this problem number 2 is also about rolling a die. Pero ito pong number 2 ay tossing or rolling a pair of dice. So kung number 1, single die, ito naman pong number 2 ay 2 dice ang iro-roll natin. Okay? How about number 3? A card is drawn from a standard deck of cards. How many favorable outcome for the event of drawing a diamond? So ito naman pong problem number 3 is about standard deck of cards. So how to solve this problem or how to solve what is being asked in this problem. So, ipipresent ko po yung computation ng problems na ito. And also, marami po akong mga different kinds of problems na idadagdag sa video na ito. Okay, so bago po ako mag-present ng examples, ay define muna natin ano nga po ba yung outcomes kasi po dito sa ating lesson ay solving problems involving outcomes of experiments. So as I recall, outcomes are the possible results of an experiment. Okay? And another term that we need to understand is the favorable outcomes. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? The elements of an event E. So ano po ang ibig sabihin ng event? Again, as I recall, event E is a subset of sample space. Okay, so ito po yung mga different terminologies na kailangan po nating maintindihan before we solve problems. Okay, so ano po ba yung mga sample ng problem? So na-present ko na po yung tatlo kanina. Ito po yung isa. Analyze po natin. The event E in rolling a die is getting an even number. So from this problem ay makakapag-create po tayo ng different questions. But analyze po natin bago yung questions. Ano po yung experiment po dito sa ating problem? So, ang experiment po dito ay rolling a die. Okay? So, rolling a die. And then, ano po yung mga different outcomes in rolling a die? So, alam po natin yung rolling a die, there are 6 phases, right? So, ang possible outcomes po niya ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, yun po yung mga outcomes. Ano naman po yung tinatawag nating favorable outcomes dito sa ating problem? So, ang favorable outcomes po dito ay yun po yung sinasabi ng event E. So, ano po yung event dito sa ating problem? So, ang event po niya ay ito po yung specific na pwede po nating makuhang outcomes. So, ang specific po ditong outcomes ay ito pong even number. So, yung even number or getting an even number ay ito po yung event E dito po sa ating problem. Okay? At ito po yung mga different questions na pwede pong ma-arise kapag may ganito po tayong problem. Okay? Question number 1, what are the favorable outcomes? Okay? And another one is how many favorable outcomes are there? Pero syempre, kapag nakuha po natin yung mga favorable outcomes, mabibilang na rin po natin yung kung how many favorable outcomes are there. Okay? So ituturo ko po yan kung paano po mag-solve sa next na problem. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 problem. The event E in rolling a die is getting an even number. How many favorable outcomes are there? Okay, so ito po yung problem kanina. So ang ating pong event po dito ay even number or guhitan ko po, getting an even number. At yung ating pong activity dito ay rolling a die. Okay, so paano po sasagutan yung question dito sa problem na how many favorable outcomes are there? Okay, so ganito lang po yon. In our die, there are 6 phases, right? Okay, so nakalitaw po yung tatlong phases po dito sa ating die. Ito pong phase na ito, there are 2 dots. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay number 2. Ito pong face dito ay 3 dots, ibig sabihin number 3. At yung pinakang top face po natin ay 6 dots, ibig sabihin ito po ay number 6. And the rest nandito po sa likod. Okay, so if you roll a die, then there are 6 possible outcomes. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yan lang po ang pwedeng lumabas, wala na pong iba. Hindi po pwedeng lumabas dyan ang 7 kasi wala naman pong 7 na face ng ating die. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes. So mula dito sa possible outcomes, i-determine po natin yung kanyang event E. Ang event po niya ay getting an even number. So what are the even numbers dito po sa ating possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, ang even number po ay divisible by 2. Kaya yung mga divisible by 2 or even number dito sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ay 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6 are even numbers. Okay? So ito pong 2, 4, and 6 na ito po yung even number na sinasabi ng event E, then yan po yung ating favorable outcomes. Okay? So the favorable outcomes are 2, 4, and 6. So those are the even numbers. Okay? And pwede rin pong i-question mula sa problem na ito, pwede rin pong ma-arise yung question na how many favorable outcomes are there? So to answer, there are 3 favorable outcomes. Bakit po tatlo ang favorable outcomes? Ito po, tatlo po yung ating even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. So there are 3 favorable outcomes. How about this problem number 2? A die is rolled once. What are the favorable outcomes for the event E of getting a number greater than 4? So still, number 2 problem natin, yung ating pong experiment is rolling a single die. Okay, so ang ating pong event dito ay number greater than 4. Okay? So, paano po kaya kukunin yung number greater than 4 dito po sa rolling a die? So, ganito lang po yon. Again, this is our die. And if you roll a die, there are 6 possible outcomes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, ang ating pong event ay greater than 4. So ano po yung mga number dito greater than 4? So ito po yung 4. Ano po yung mas malaki sa 4? Ang greater than 4 po dyan ay dalawa lang po. 5 and 6. So therefore, ito pong 5 and 6 na greater than 4, yan po yung ating favorable outcomes. Okay? So the favorable outcomes are 5 and 6. And pwede na pong sagutin o sagutan kapag may question na how many favorable outcomes are there. So pag how many, bibilangin lang natin ilan po ba yung favorable outcomes natin? 5 and 6, so dalawa lang po sila. So there are 2 favorable outcomes in this activity. Okay, so how about this problem number 3? Consider the experiment of tossing a pair of dice. What are the favorable outcomes for the event E of getting a sum of 5? Okay, so ito pong problem number 3 naman po natin is still about die. Pero dito po is tossing a pair of dice or rolling a pair of dice. Ibig sabihin dito po ay you are going to roll 2 dice at a time. Okay. The question is, what are the favorable outcomes for the event E of getting a sum of 5? So, ang event po natin dito ay getting a sum of 5. Okay, so paano po yan kukunin yung kanyang favorable outcomes? Ganito lang po yan. Okay, if you roll 2 dice, then what are the possible outcomes? Siyempre, sa first die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay po? Kasi yun po yung number ng die. And also, for second die, ang lalabas din po or possible outcomes din po na ilalabas niya ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, ano daw po yung favorable outcomes kapag ang event natin ay getting a sum of 5? Okay. So, ano pong ibig sabihin ng sum of 5? Dapat daw ang lalabas sa die 1 at ang lalabas sa die 2 kapag pinag-plus natin, that is equal to 5. For example, kapag niroll natin yung 2 dice at parehong lumapag sa 1, if you add 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So, hindi po siya 5. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin niya. How about parehong 2 po ang lumabas? Then, the sum is equal to 4. Parehong 3 ang lumabas? The sum, if you add 3 plus 3 is 6. And how about parehong 6? 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So dapat maghahanap tayo na ang lalabas ay ang sampu niya ay 5. So ano pong pwede na lalabas sa die 1 at sa die 2 na kapag pinag-plus natin equal to 5? Ito lang po 'yon. So pwede pong 2 ang die 1, 3 ang die 2. Or can be, baliktarin natin, pwedeng 3 ang die 1 at 2 ang die 2. Okay? So, ganun po yun. If you add 2 plus 3, the sum is equal to 5. So, pwede po yan. Okay? Another one. Meron pa po ba na kapag i-pair natin, the sum is 5? Meron po. Pwede pong 1 and 4. So, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so meron pa po bang pwedeng i-pair dito na number na ang sum is 5? So, wala na pong iba. So, therefore, ang favorable outcomes po natin dyan, it can be 1, 4 or 4, 1. So, pwede po yan. Okay? 1, 4 or 4, 1. Bakit ko po binaliktad? So, die 1, 4, die 2, die 1 is 1, die 1 is 4. Okay? Or pwede naman pong yung die 1 ay 4, yung die 2 naman ay 1. Iyon pong ibig sabihin. Okay? And it can be 2, 3 ang kanyang favorable outcomes or 3, 2. Okay, so ilan na po yan lahat? Ang favorable outcomes natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bakit po dalawa yung ating numbers dito? Kasi dalawa po yung in-roll natin na dice. So, ibig sabihin, dapat dalawa po yung lalabas. Okay? At yung dalawang number na lumabas, ang sampo nila ay 5. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng problem. Okay? So, the favorable outcomes are 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2. So, kapag tinatanong how many, ilan po lahat yan? There are 4 favorable outcomes. Okay? So, yan po kung paano isolve yung problem na ito. Okay, for number 4 problem. A card is drawn from a deck of cards. How many favorable outcomes for the event E of drawing a 2? Okay, so ito pong problem number 4 natin ay about deck of cards. Ang deck of cards po ay baraha. Ang baraha po ay ginagamit karaniwan kapag meron pong lamayan. Ito po yung pinaglilibangan o ito po yung ginagawa ding sugal. Ano po? So, deck of cards or baraha. So the question here is, how many favorable outcomes for the event E of drawing a 2? Okay, so ilan po ba ang nilalaman ilan po ba yung nilalaman ng standard deck of cards? So ang nilalaman po ng cards ay from ace to king. Ano po? Ang ace po ay stands for 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10, ang kasunod po dyan ay jack, queen, and king. So therefore, from ace to king, there are how many cards? Meron po siyang 13 na cards. Ano po? At sa 13 na cards na yan, ay meron po tayong iba-ibang shape or iba-ibang kind ng baraha. Halimbawa po, number 2 ang pinili ko. Sa number 2, meron po siyang tinatawag na flower, meron po spade, ito po, heart, and diamond. So, yun ang i-present ko po sa inyo from ace to king, ito po ay diamond. Okay. So, bawat number ay meron pong 4 na klase. Ito po yung kanyang 4 na klase. So, sa ace, may ace po na flower, spade, heart, diamond. Gawin din po yung 2, ito po, flower, spade, heart, diamond. Hanggang po sa king. So, may king po na flower, may king na spade, may king na heart, at may king na diamond. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating question. How many favorable outcomes for the event E of drawing a 2? Okay, so ito po, kahit labas ko po yung 2. Kapag kukul natin yung 2, how many favorable outcomes are there? So ilan po ba yung 2? So 4 po yan. So, ang favorable outcomes po natin ay may 2 na flower, may 2 na spade, may 2 na heart, at may 2 na diamond. Ito po yung 4 na ito. So therefore, ang favorable outcomes po natin, ang tanong po niya kasi ay how many favorable outcomes? There are 4 favorable outcomes. Okay? So kahit pa ang tanungin po ay 3, 1 or ace, jack, queen, king, o ano man po dito, lahat po yan ay tag-aapat. Ano po? Okay, tag-aapat po yan. Kaya, there are 4 favorable outcomes for 2. Okay? Okay, for problem number 5, A card is drawn from a deck of cards. How many favorable outcome for the event E of drawing diamond? Okay, so the same po na deck of cards. Kanina po, ang idodraw po natin ay 2. Ngayon naman po, ang idodraw po natin ay diamond. So, halimbawa, ito po, nailagay ko po na lahat yung diamond. Okay, from ace to king, lahat po yan ay diamond. So, ilan po lahat yung diamond natin? Yan po ay 1 to 10 plus tatlo po na tao. Jack, Queen, King, there are 13 cards. So, ibig sabihin ay 13 po yung ating event. Pero recall natin, hindi lang po 13 na diamond ang meron. So, we have 13 na flower. Di ba po, ang content po ng ating card ay flower, spade, heart, and diamond. So, meron po tayong 13 na flower, 13 na spade, 13 na heart, at 13 na diamond. So, ito nga po yung 13 na diamond. So, therefore, ang hinahanap po natin dito, ang event natin ay diamond. So, our answer is there are 13 favorable outcomes. So, from ace to king na diamond. Ano po? Kaya pagbibilangin natin ay 13. Okay, so how about this number 6 problem? A card is drawn from a deck of cards. How many favorable outcome for the event E of drawing a black card? So, ngayon naman po, ay black card yung ating idodraw. Okay, from a deck of cards. So, again, as I recall, yung content po ng ating deck of cards ay 13 na flower, 13 na spade, 13 na heart, at 13 na diamond. So, alin po ba dito yung mga black cards? Okay? So, ang black cards po dito ay ito pong flower and spade, yan po ay black cards. Ano po? 13 na flower, 13 na spade, black cards po yan lahat. At ito pong heart at diamond, yan po ay red cards. Ano po? Kaya kung itatanong po ay black cards, alam po ninyo, flower and spade. Kapag itatanong po ay red cards, iyan po ay heart and diamond. So the question is, how many favorable outcomes? So, ilan po lahat? 13 yung flower, 13 yung spade, lahat po sila ay black. So pag pinag-add po natin 13 plus 13, that is equal to 26. So therefore, our answer is there are 26 favorable outcomes. Okay? There are 26 black cards in the standard deck of cards. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like and then subscribe na rin kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.